Alright, there's my tree stand. If you can see it, that's about 30 feet in the air. There's my feeder. That damn feeder is completely full of corn. Ooh. I came up here because my game camera is not working the way I like for it to. So I'm coming to switch it out. I don't see any corn at all on the ground. So maybe I've got something coming in. Well, I know I've got something coming in. I've got bear, raccoon, and deer. This is how I got my feeder rigged up in the tree. I got a boat crank with some braided wire up to a pole. From that pole that's coming out from the other tree is running down to my feeder. And that's just to keep the bear from tearing it all to hell. And they're already tearing that tree all to hell. You can probably see that. If you can't see it, then I'll just walk up here so you can. Must not be a very big bear. And what these bears are doing, they're climbing the tree to try to get to the feeder, but they can't do it. It may be a pretty big bear. And right here, let me go turn my camera off. Now I'll show you something else. Got 8 pictures on it since yesterday. Alright, I'm going to put this in here. Fits in there real good and snug. You see that? This is bear shit. That son of a bitch, it's eating up a lot of corn. But that's good, that's good. Keep it good and fat. Alright, you guys, you see this stump right here? This stump is probably a little smaller than this one right here started out as. Now you see that big ass hole? The way that stump is ate out? That sucker looked just like that one down there, except for maybe this one was probably a little bigger. What I've been doing here is pouring deer cane. Those deer, they love that deer cane. I started about this time last year, and this is what kind of damage they have done since then. That's some good stuff. Even whenever you're not feeding them, if you keep this stuff out, they'll keep coming back. That's amazing. They've dug it sucker almost all the way out and ate it all to hell. They sure have. Alright, from right here, you can see my deer stand up there. That's probably about 45, well, I'll tell you exactly, from right here is 40 yards. From here to there is 40 yards. And we don't feed the deer all year round. We feed them up to about right now, and once that feeder is empty, We won't feed them anymore until after hunting season is over. Even though it's legal to bait deer here in West Virginia if you're on private land, we just still don't do it. Alright, let me go ahead and got 8 pictures. Put this son of a gun right back on there. Take this one off and I'll head back home. This is the reason I came up here. I was just here yesterday. I've got 8 pictures since yesterday. Alright, well, hell, I'll take you back on a ride back to the house with me. If you don't want to watch it, then don't. If you do, then great. Alright, I'm going to show you this too. You guys see all this mess? We got some logging going on. I'm at one side of the property and my father-in-law's stand is at the other side. Wow, look at there. Hell, I can get up that. Uh-oh, it's on now. Hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Well, I'm a happy man today, y'all. Right down there where I usually came up at, it is a straight up and down drop off because, you know, the logging, but this is